Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make a simple tote bag. So for this project you need two pieces of fabric, 15.5 inches by 18 inches in the length. And then for the bands you're going to be using two pieces of 3.5 inches by 25 inches in the length. Also for the pockets you're going to be using 6 inches across and 7 inches in the length. So the first thing you want to do is put the right sides together, and then you want to stitch 1/2 inch all around. So I'm going to start by stitching 1/2 inch. Back stitch. You're gonna stitch it 1 inch all around the edge. So I'm gonna pin 1 inch . So 1 inch . So I'm going to turn over the bag now. I'm gonna put the pocket here, and then we're gonna add 2 straps at the top for both sides all the way down. So I'm gonna stitch the straps, and then we're gonna press it. So 1/2 inch. Of the handles. I'm just gonna tuck this in. And then I'm gonna put a stitch across and down. I'm gonna secure the edges by putting a stitch here, and then we're gonna put a stitch all the way down under both sides. So start by putting the stitch here. So back stitch. So I'm gonna pin the pocket in the middle. So I'm gonna stitch the pocket here. I'm gonna pin the pocket like this, and I'm gonna stitch it in the middle. And then I'm gonna then we're gonna do the straps. So I'm gonna measure 3.5 inches from the side to put the straps, and 3.5 inches from the other side. And I'm also going to do it on the other side as well. So 3.5 inches from the sides. And now we're gonna add the band. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.